Greetings to all viewers, this is Sonam Singh. In this video, we will discuss all the steps of lesson plan of English grammar. So at very first, we will fill all blackboard entries, means date, class, subject, topic, period and time duration. Topic should be underlined. After that, we will write general aims. In general aims, first point, to enable the students to read and write correct English. Second point, to develop their interest in English grammar. Then third point, to enable them to have a command over English language. And fourth point, to help the students to acquaint with the rules of English grammar. After that, we'll write specific aims. Specific aims are classified in three categories: knowledge, understanding and application. We'll write 2 points in knowledge, 2 points in understanding and 2 points in application. Let's see. In knowledge, first point, the students will able to recognize and recall the definition of adverb. Second point, the students will be able to develop their abilities and skill to write correct English language. In understanding, first point is the student will be able to classify the adverbs. Second point, students will be able generalize the parts of speech. In application, first point, students will be able to make proper use of adverb, and second point is students will be able to define adverbs in their own sentences. After that, we'll write teaching aids. Teaching aids means here we mention that teaching material which helps in the classroom. For example, let's see here charts representing sentences and adverbs, flashcard, etc. After that, next step is previous knowledge. In previous knowledge, students have general knowledge about verbs and other parts of speech. Then the next step is introductory question. In this step, means introductory question will be start in 2 columns, pupil teacher activity and student activity. Here we frame the question should be based on previous knowledge, should be easy and connected with each other, and last question should be problematic. Okay? Last question should be problematic. So let's see here first question. What kind of word tell us about an action? Answer is verbs tell us about an action. Then second question. What are the words called that describe a noun? Answer is adjectives tell us more about noun. Then the third question is which parts of speech modifies verbs and adjectives? This is a problematic question. Okay. After that, we'll write a statement of aim. Today we shall or will study about adverbs under English grammar. Then the next step is presentation. Okay. In this step, presentation divided in 5 columns: teaching point, pupil teacher activity, student activity, device and method, and blackboard work. In teaching point, first point is exposure to examples. And pupil teacher activity, pupil teacher will write some sentences on blackboard for understanding the concept. In a student activity, student will observe carefully device and method, illustration method. So here we will write some examples. Okay. Let's see here. 2 or 3 examples or 4 examples, okay? Not more than 5, okay? After that, in teaching point, we'll write analysis and pupil teacher activity column. Pupil teacher will analyze the following examples with the help of student. In student activity, students are responding, device and method, explanation method. Then the next step is in teaching point. First you will write the example and ask some question, okay? He drove slowly. What is drove in this sentence? Student activity. Students are responding, okay? Means in this step you will explain it, all examples, which you will choose. After that, in teaching point, you will write generalization. Pupil teacher activity, pupil teacher generalize the fact. Student activity, students listen carefully. Device and method, generalization. In this step, you will generalize the concept. Let's see here. Write the definition of the topic. Means adverb, a word that adds more information to a verb, an adjective. After that, we will write application. In teaching point, we will write application. Pupil teacher activity, pupil teacher asks some question based on the application of the concept. Student activity, students respond properly. And device and method, questioning method. After that, we will write comprehensive questions. Here you will ask 3 or 4 questions. Let's see here. What is an adverb? Give 2 examples of adverb. Identify adverb in the given sentences. The boy is very quiet. I just started driving. After that, blackboard summary. In this step, you will write the answer of comprehensive questions. Okay? At very first, you will write the topic, and after that, you will write the one by one answer of comprehensive questions. After that, next step is writing and supervision work. Writing and supervision work. The pupil teacher will ask the student to note down the work from blackboard, and she will or he will supervise the class. Then the next step is recapitulation. In this step, we will test the knowledge of student in the classroom by the question answer, which will be asked in MCQs, true, false, fill in the blanks, match the column, etc. So you will choose here. Then the last step is homework. Here you will give the homework. Thank you.